amazing things which you can do with your iPhone.
Siri, what is the date today?
It's Tuesday, the 19th of April 2016.
How many days to Christmas?
It's 250 days until then.
When is New Year?
New Year's Day is on Sunday, the 1st of January 2017.
How many days to New Year from now?
It's 257 days until then.
Hey Siri, I am lost where I am right now.
You're on Hapa Road 81, Gaysibad.
Okay, how far is New Delhi from my location?
New Delhi is about 21 kilometers away as the crow flies.
And how to go to Mumbai from here?
Getting directions to Mumbai.
Okay Siri, where is Moscow?
Here's Moscow, Russia.
Siri, what is spanner?
Looking. Here's some information.
Siri, show me the picture of spanner.
Here are some images of a spanner that I found on the web.
Hey Siri, can you give me the picture of truck?
Here are some images of truck that I found on the web.
Hey Siri, what is the 36% of 10,1540?
3,600.
Hey Siri, what is the cube of 365?